Alright, so today's video was just a workout edit because I just thought it would be cool just to do a workout edit, and it has been a while since I posted my last video, and I told you guys that I'd be posting like 3 to 5 times a week, but that is not happened so far. That has not happened so far. And sorry about that. I've been really busy though the past couple days, but as soon as I can, I'll start posting videos very frequently so you guys can watch them. So I hope you guys liked the video today, and I'll see you guys next time.